Have you ever wondered why you think the way you do or why your reactions differ so greatly from those of others? The mind, that intricate web of thoughts, emotions and perceptions, is a fascinating subject to explore. Dive into the realm of psychology, the science of the mind and behavior. Uncover the stories and case studies that offer a glimpse into the human psyche. Consider the intriguing case of Phineas Gage, a 19th century railroad worker. An accidental explosion drove a large iron rod through Gage's skull, damaging his frontal lobe. Miraculously, he survived. But the person who emerged after the accident was not the same Phineas Gage. His personality transformed from a responsible, hard-working man to an impulsive, irritable individual. This incident, while tragic, provided early evidence of the role the frontal lobe plays in personality and social behavior. Now, shift the focus to a more recent study, the Stanford Prison Experiment. Conducted by psychologist Philip Zimbardo in the early 70s, it aimed to observe the psychological effects of perceived power. Volunteers were randomly assigned roles of prisoners and guards in a mock prison. The experiment, planned to last 2 weeks, had to be terminated in just 6 days due to the disturbing behavior exhibited by the participants. The guards, intoxicated by their perceived power, became aggressive, while the prisoners showed signs of extreme stress and anxiety. This experiment highlights the impact of situational forces and perceived roles on behavior. Let's also look at the phenomenon of bystander effect, a social psychological concept. It suggests that individuals are less likely to offer help to a victim when other people are present. The infamous case of Kitty Genovese, a woman who was attacked and murdered in New York while numerous neighbors reportedly ignored her cries for help, drew attention to this unsettling psychological trend. Now, these stories and experiments do more than just entertain our curiosity. They provide valuable insights into how the mind works and how external factors can influence our behavior and perception. To summarize, the case of Phineas Gage showed us that damage to specific brain areas can result in personality changes. The Stanford Prison Experiment demonstrated how perceived power and situational forces can drastically affect behavior. And the concept of the bystander effect revealed that the presence of others could discourage individual intervention in an emergency. These are but a few examples of the myriad ways psychology helps us understand the human mind and behavior. It is a field that continues to evolve, offering endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. Delving into psychology allows us to better understand ourselves and others, making it a fascinating and invaluable area of study. So the next time you find yourself wondering why you think or react a certain way, remember, the answer may lie in the fascinating realm of psychology.